All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. Middle, in the middle. Between things. So middle, yeah. In the middle. I am in the middle of the room. Yes, in the middle of the room. Those things are in the middle of the office. My books are on the middle shelf. Middle shelf. I am in the middle of the city. The hill is in the middle of the countryside. Yeah. This is the middle night. How cool is that? Yeah. I took the middle path there. Left, right, or the middle? I went the middle way. Yeah. How cool is that? The knight in the middle was first. Yeah, he was first in the competition, in the race, in the challenge. Stand in the middle between them. Yeah. She will stand in the middle between them. Yeah. I am in the middle of the room, for example, anywhere. In the middle of the crowd. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, middle. Now, can you use middle in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.